Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we're going to be reviewing this product right here. I actually got it for my youngest daughter. It is a 150-piece bracelet making kit. So let's go ahead and get right into this. It has these little parts right here to make it easy to lift up. Let me do it on the table. The sides. And then this is the box. Let me go ahead and point the camera down so that you guys can see everything that comes in here. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the set. As you can see, it has this instruction manual right here, and it tells you how to do everything. You can make some really cute bracelets with this, and my daughter is absolutely gonna love this. It comes with different little jewelry pieces. This says, "She believed she could, so she did. Never give up." It has like pretty little swans. So these are like all just like little trinkets that you can put on there. You can also make a necklace, and it comes with purple, pink, blue, white, and black different necklaces. And I love the fact that these are already made. So pretty much you could take this and just put some charms on it, and you can switch it out. So if you get tired of something, they have a lot of different ones. It has mermaid tails, little unicorns, cactuses. If you know anything about me, I would love that. I love plants. There's just a lot of different ones that you can put on. They have cakes and just a lot of really pretty little trinkets. You can see this has hearts, it has leaves and unicorns and angels and beads. So let me go ahead and let my daughter make something out of this, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. I'll have her make a bracelet and a necklace. Okay, so this is my daughter Julia, and she will be making some bracelets and necklaces. So what do you think?
Nice.
It's nice.
What are these?
That's a bracelet, so you can put little jewels, whatever you want on it. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, she made this bracelet right here. And on these ones, the end right here does screw off so that you can put the beads on, and then you just screw it back on. And that's how you get the beads on these type of bracelets. You can see right there. And then she made this necklace right here. And then, where's the other bracelet that she made? Oh, she took everything off and is remaking it?
No,
oh, no, you're... And then this is another bracelet that she made for her sister. So very nice. What do you think? How do you like this?
Nice.
It's nice. Do you enjoy it?
Mm-hmm.
And you can buy more beads and stuff if you want for them. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.